Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen where sometimes we do keto, sometimes we do low carb, but we always do delicious. Now last week I dropped a video on a super simple hamburger recipe. This week we're going to kick it up a notch. We're going to add a couple more ingredients. It's going to really make it unique and it's going to go along with this. I finally found the holy grail of low carb buns. Hold on one second. Look at this baby. This is a 2.8 gram of carb brioche bun. It's on the cooling rack. By the time we get done making these burgers, it's going to be time to slice this bun and we're going to have ourselves an amazing hamburger. So let's get to it. Our ingredients are the same as last time with 2 added ingredients. So we're going to do 2 pounds this time. We're going to do 1/3 pound burgers instead of 1/4 pound burgers. So here's what we got. We've got 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. We've got a teaspoon of ground black pepper. We've got a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. We've got a tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 2 tablespoons of liquid smoke, along with 2 beaten eggs. And I got this little gadget here that I just got from Amazon that we're going to use to form the burgers after we mix them up. So I'm going to get everything into the bowl, get it mixed up, and then we'll get to forming our patties. So we wound up with 4 5.3 ounce patties and 2 7.2 ounce patties. Had a little bit more than 3 pounds of meat. So I picked up this handy little gizmo on Amazon. I've never used it before, so this is the premiere. This is a little hamburger press. It's spring loaded. Well, it's not even a burger press. It's a patty press. I'm planning on using this to make some crab cakes and other things that will require patties. So it comes with 100 of these handy little round parchments. So we're going to head, put the parchment down. We're going to put the big ball down first. We're going to wind up using one of those 7 ounces in our burger today. Place our press over top. Give it a squeeze. Release. And there you've got a nice patty. Now what I'm going to do is just put a little dent in the middle because that helps when you're cooking. So there you go, 1 done. We're going to go ahead and stamp out the other 5, and then this guy here is going to be going into the air fryer. Still sticking. So I'm going to have to figure out a way to stop that from sticking. But overall, I'm still happy with this thing. It makes a nice round burger patty. And these guys are going to wind up going into the freezer. And the last one is going to go right straight into the air fryer. And here is the last one. We don't need parchment paper for that. There we go. Maybe I found the secret. You just kind of want to pat it down instead of press hard. And look at that patty. That is sweet. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get the other patties into the freezer and get this formed up and get it into the air fryer. I'll be back in a minute. Guys, this is exciting. We got our brioche bun. It's cooled off. It's gorgeous. This thing is so light. It's like a feather, but look how thick it is. And we've got the perfect size burger patty for this. By the time we cook, it's going to shrink up and fit nicely in the bun. So I'm going to now slice the bun. This is it. This is the inaugural, how do you say it? Inaugural slicing of the bun. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. It is just so soft and light in there. I can't believe that this is 2.8 grams of carbs. Very excited. We're going to go ahead. We're going to get the burger into the air fryer. We're going to air fry at 370 for 12 minutes, and then we're going to get it on the bun. Alexa, set the air fryer for 12 minutes at 370 degrees.
Air frying for 12 minutes at 370 degrees.
I'm going to go ahead and get the pickles, the onions, and the tomatoes ready, and I'll see you in 12 minutes. Now, I know I said 12 minutes, but I forgot that we got to flip the burger. So let's get that done now. We're about 7 minutes in. And look at that nasty piece of meat. Mm-mm. Let's get this flipped over. And back into the air fryer. Now I'll see you in 5 minutes. I went ahead and prepared some of the condiments and toppings. We've got some beefsteak tomatoes, some red onion, dill pickle. We got 2 slices of smoked provolone cheese to stay with that smoky theme we're going with. And some of my sauce, which is made with Dijon mustard, ketchup, and my homemade mayonnaise, which I'll put a link in the description to. So we got a few seconds left on the burger, and it's going to be ready to put the cheese on. Okay, now one of the lessons I've learned with air frying burgers is don't try to put the cheese in there with a minute left. Let it stop. Then put the cheese on and shut the lid with the air fryer off. The residual heat is going to melt the cheese. If you try to put your cheese in there while the air fryer is running, 9 times out of 10, your cheese is going to become a frisbee and it's going to be cooked to the side of the basket. So we're just going to shut the door for a minute and you'll see what happens. And there you go. Perfectly melted cheese. Let's dress this baby up, guys. And get the burger out of the air fryer. Onto the bun. And it fits the bun perfectly, which is good for my OCD. Take a little bit of the tomato. Take some onion. Top it with pickle. Oop. We don't want to lose the onion. I love pickles, guys. And then we're going to put the lid on it. Oh my goodness, this bun is unbelievable. I cannot wait to bite into it. I'm telling you, I haven't had a taste of it yet. And there we go, guys. She is a beauty. Just have a look at that. And I'm going to go ahead and snap a couple photos of this for the web thumbnail, and I'll see you at the table. It's almost time, guys. Here you go. I got my strawberry kiwi sparkling water. I got this delicious burger, and now it's time to dive in. All right, guys, it is the moment I have been waiting for, and hopefully you've been waiting for as well. I got this delicious burger. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to cut it in half and show you what we have. This roll, I am so impressed with this roll. I haven't tasted it yet, but if it tastes as good as it cooked and feels, it's going to be amazing. So let's just take this up so you can have a look at this juicy burger. We got the burger and cheese. We got some onion. We got some pickle. We got some tomato. We get a nice fat bun. And now it's time to dive in. Oh my God. Guys, I can definitely do keto and low carb for the rest of my life. There's literally less than 3 grams of net carbs in this burger. It tastes amazing. The bun is as good as any restaurant bun I've ever had. I am just totally pleased with this. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's Smokey Burger video, and I hope you get a chance to make it in your kitchen. And also hope you get a chance to make that delicious keto brioche bun. Now, if you liked today's video, click that like button. If you want to see more videos like that, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell so you can see more videos like this. And if you like this video, I'll bet you'll love that one. I'll catch you on the next one.